my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shakura, and on this channel we talk about everything that makes me feel beautiful, which is usually fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today we have a luxury accessory talk. Okay, I'm gonna get right into it because I don't want this video to be too long. The first thing that I want to show you is not high-end luxury, but it is luxury. It's a contemporary brand that I've spoken about before. It's Mansour Gabrielle. If you are not new here, you've seen that I have this purse in black. I have been looking at that Bottega clutch in gold, and I did not want to spend or do not want to spend that Bottega money. However, I do want a nice gold clutch I did want a nice gold clutch for spring. Insert the Mansour Gabrielle Cloud pouch. I found this actually for a really good price because they were having a discount, and I knew I had to get it. This is not red inside like the black one. It is a nice beige color inside, which is cute and a little scary to be honest. But this is just a good size that fits right under your arm, you know? It's a really beautiful size and a beautiful color. The gold is not too harsh. It's a nice soft gold. It's more of a champagne, if I'm being honest. This purse is going to look so nice in the spring if we get to go outside with jewel colors, like a nice jewel green, a nice kind of fuchsia pink. It's gonna look so good with those type of colors. If you watched my spring summer trends video or my spring trend video, you know that color blocking is going to be a thing. So color blocking, in addition to this gold clutch as a neutral, I'm very excited about this. Like I've mentioned before when I spoke about Mansour Gabrielle, this is made out of lambskin, so it's super duper soft, it's very sturdy, it closes easily, it fits a ton. Yeah, you guys, if you haven't looked into this brand, at least follow them on Instagram, Google it. They have some other people that talk about this purse on YouTube. Yeah, it's well worth it. So the next thing I want to talk about are some sunglasses. If you aren't new here, you know that sunglasses are my thing. In fact, you know that oversized sunglasses are my thing. And I felt like I wanted to try something just a little different, and I decided to try these because I found them on sale. Because I found them on sale at a really good price, and I actually really like the shape of them. It's my first pair of Versace sunglasses. It's actually a different shape than what I'm used to. So let me just show you. You see how small this case is, which is really kind of different for me because most of my sunglasses are pretty oversized. So having this small case is different. But anyway, this is the pair of Vesachi Shades that I got. They have this the Medusa emblem at the side, which is just fabulous. And you guys, I understand that for some people this little sparkle might be a lot, but not for me. Not for me. I like a little extraness. So here we go. These are so different than what I usually would wear, but I am in love. I don't know if it's because of this part or what, and it actually goes to show that I should try different types of sunglasses. I know what looks good on me, and I kind of stick to that, and these actually look okay on me because they're wider. If they stopped about here, it would not work on me. But anyway, these are so cool, so up to date, so like now. I love them. Now, me personally would not wear them with these earrings because that's just Louis Vuitton earrings, Versace sunglasses. You're doing a lot. It's just, you look like you just want to wear labels, and I do not want to look like that. I want to look fashion, not labels. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think these are, I'm so excited about these. I think these are amazing. They're different for me, but I can dig it. I can dig it. Okay, so actually this is another first. I have never had any Gucci shoes. I have tons of Gucci sunglasses, more than I like to admit, but I don't have any Gucci shoes. So again, I found these at a really good price. You guys don't believe me, but I swear I found these at a really good price. I saw these on Pinterest, and just kind of skipped over them. I like them, but I skipped over them because I knew they were Gucci and I wasn't trying to spend $700, $700+ honestly, on a pair of, because these are tweed, a pair of tweed shoes. And I mean, and I screenshot it. It's, you know, it's in my phone. I was like, oh, these are cute. Maybe I could find them someplace. So one day, or last week, I am perusing through the DSW website because we were getting ridiculous amount of snow. So I wanted to look for some snow boots because I don't have any, because last year it didn't really snow that much. Sorry, side note. So I'm looking for some snow boots, and I get something on the side that says that that DSW has Gucci. I said, say what now? So I went to go check what they had, and they did have the Princetown loafers, which I do love, and it's something that I'm still looking forward to getting, but they didn't have my size. They had like a size 11 and a size 5, so nothing in the middle. They had some really good options, but when I came across these, I knew that I had to get them. They are such a good price, and though I might not be able to wear them now because it's winter, but I will be able to wear them in the fall and the spring. So let me just show you the shoes. These are called the Gucci Jordan Loafer, and one of the reasons that I had no intention on spending over $700 on these shoes is because they're not leather. Now, while they are extremely cute and they are black and white, which is like one of my favorite things to wear, and also on trend, if you watch my trend video, you know that black and white is going to be a big spring trend. They are not leather, so I did not want to spend that much money on some shoes that weren't leather. I don't care if they're Gucci, Fucci, or Prada. I'm not spending that much money on shoes that aren't leather, okay? So I found these on DSW, and you guys, let me tell you, if you haven't looked, you need to look on DSW. What's interesting is, though, when I went back to look, the inventory had changed, so you need to look like weekly. I don't know what that was about, but you need to look weekly. Anyway, I got these in a size 7, and I'm glad I didn't get a 6.5 because it gives me a little room, but they are comfortable. I've heard so many people talk about Gucci loafers being so comfortable, and I was like, yeah, okay, no, these are comfortable. I really cannot wait to try on the Princetown loafers, because I feel like because that's a mule, it's going to be even more comfortable. But yeah, this is a classic, you guys. This is just something that's going to be in my wardrobe. The gold buckle, the black and white, it's classic. I could wear this with what I have on today. I wouldn't wear this headband, but I could wear this with this dress. It's black and white, so you can wear it with anything. You can even wear it with patterns, but that's a whole nother video that I might do. But yeah, guys, this is what I got. I'm so excited to have it. My first pair of Gucci loafers and my first pair of Vesachi shades. So I'm excited. It's a good day. Oh man, it looks so good in the camera, the thing. But before we go any further, have you subscribed yet? I know there are tons of other videos on YouTube that you could be watching, but you stood here and you watched mine, and that's just fabulous. Okay, so the last thing is an unboxing of this Louis Vuitton item. It's nothing huge, but it is really cute and something that I have been looking at. I have been wanting to open this box for a while. It's just been sitting on my table, but I wanted to wait to make a video about it. So let's just get to this. Louis Vuitton Bandeau. Oh gosh, look how pretty! Again, black and white. Now, I would never wear this with the Gucci slide. That's too much. But the black and white is just, oh guys, it's so pretty. I think, well, there's a few things I could do with this, but I bought this specifically for my hats, right? I have this black, lack of color fedora, and I was thinking about wrapping it around the hat, right? I'm going to do a little video about it, or maybe I'll do it on my Instagram stories, so you should be following me on Instagram. I feel like it's going to be a really nice addition. The nice thing about having luxury accessories is that it gives you just a little bit of something, you know? You don't want to wear it all at the same time. Like, I would never want to wear my Versace glasses, my Louis Vuitton earrings, my Louis Vuitton like, that's just too much. You want to do just a little bit of something. So if I take this, and even wear this as a headscarf, right? Or around my hat, it just gives me just a little bit of something, you know? You don't want to do too much. You don't want to OD and look like a walking monogram or a walking ad. I mean, that goes with anything. You don't want to have a full Nike everything, because it's just too much, right? So anyway, I'm going to show you how I style this in another video, and probably on my Instagram. Again, follow me on Instagram. So anyway, guys, that is it. I told you it was a little short video. I just wanted to show you a few things that I picked up. I hate when people say picked up. These are expensive things. A few things that I bought. It wasn't just a pickup. I had to think about, you know, how much money I was spending here. But I wanted to show you a few things that I bought in case you wanted to look into them yourself. You guys, like I said, just finding a little bit of luxury and putting it into your outfit makes all the difference. Your whole outfit doesn't have to be, but it's nice when you have a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Leave a comment, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.